On the warm-up, we added, what? On the warm-up, we added and subtracted fractions. Here we have fractions except for their expressions. What did we do on the warm-up for 1 and 2? Do you guys remember? We factored, what did we factor specifically? We factored the bottom, the denominators. Okay, so here, I'm going to factor 9x squared. That's weird. 9x squared. I'll factor 9x squared. So, I'm doing the same steps. 7 stays the same. 3 times x times x. Eventually, I feel like you could do this part in your head, but right now I'm showing you, so I'm going to show you everything. The x stays the same on the top there. On the bottom, how can I factor that? What can I take out, actually? 3x, and then on the inside it's x plus 1. Right? Okay. This is what I should use. Step 1, factor. Step 1, factor. Maybe you can write that down if you want to. Step 1, factor the denominator. Factor the denominator. And then I'm going to see what I need. Oh, I'm going to run out of room. What do I need on this side to be the same as this? Oh, what's missing is really what I'm saying. What's missing? Eventually I want both of these to be the same, both denominators to be the same. What am I missing on this side? What am I missing? X plus 1, that's it. What? I'm not saying that you didn't say it. X plus, wait, because look, I have a 3x. That's that part. What is it missing? It's missing the x plus 1. So I multiply by an x plus 1 there and an x plus 1 there. What? Crazy. The question was, wait, do you do x plus 1? Do you have to do that over here and up here? No, you don't, because this denominator already has it. We're trying to fill in what's missing. That's the idea here. What's missing? So, that's the only thing that this denominator is missing is an x plus 1. Do we understand that? What's this one missing then that this has? Another 3x, right? Because we have another 3 and another x. So I have to put another 3 and another x and do the same in the top. I first factored the denominator. Step 1, factor the denominator. Yeah. Step 2, compare the two denominators and see what's missing. Whatever's missing, you just multiply on in the top and bottom. And then you do the same to the other fraction.
Step 2 one more time.
So, now I will multiply. Here on the top, I can distribute, yeah? So I'll get 7x plus 7. In the bottom, I have, I'll do it in 2 steps, 9x squared times x plus 1. Yeah, eventually we'll get there, but I'm going to do it in another step. And then on the top here, what do I get? 3x squared. Beautiful. And in the bottom, I have, well, it should be the same thing, right?
Yeah, 9
So the denominators are the same now. I mean, I could distribute, and I probably will. But when the denominators are the same, this is the third step. When the denominators are the same, write the denominators once. That's how you add or subtract fractions. So when the denominators are the same, write it once. And now I'm going to distribute. 9x squared times x plus 1 is 9x cubed plus 9x squared. That, I mean, even if you didn't do that, it would still be right. But in the top, I have 7x plus 7 plus 3x squared. Are there any like terms in the top?
Yeah. All the x.
We have no like terms in the top because this is just regular x. This is x squared. So really the only thing to do is to just write it in standard form in the top. So that's what I'm going to do. 3x squared first, then a positive 7x, then plus 7. If we did have like terms, we'd combine them. Since we don't, we don't. That's it. That's all.
That's all?
That's all. That is the respuesta.